Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Pinterest. I haven't updated this chart since the previous video, which was also the first video on this chart, but to be honest, not much has happened since. We did push a little higher in this wave 1, so I did adjust the support zone, and that's what I want to talk about. But to bring everyone up to date, we have been tracking here a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down in the white scenario, and then I brought up 3 different colors for the scenarios because this white scenario could morph into any of them really. And firstly, we have the bullish scenario in yellow, in which we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup. And here we pushed higher from the previous video in another wave 1 up, and we are looking now for a wave 2 correction. Now the correction could already be complete. I don't necessarily prefer that. I would be still looking for lower, but we did react to the 38.2% retracement here of this larger 1-2, so the support zone for the larger 1-2. And yeah, it is realistically possible that we head up directly higher in the third wave, and within this movement to the upside that I expect to be in 5 waves, because either in the orange scenario where we have an A, B, C pattern, so here instead of having a 1-2, 1-2, we have an A wave, a B wave, and then a C wave, we expect regardless a 5-wave move in this area, forming a third wave to the upside, or in orange, forming a C wave to the upside. And let me make that more clear. And then of course we do still have the red scenario, and within it we expect direct downside without forming any new highs in this area. So in the yellow and orange scenario we expect to push still higher considerably, ideally to the 100% extension. That would be the ideally for the wave C in orange, but both scenarios suggest a 5-wave move happening here. And then the red scenario is the antagonist to this, where we have a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, and then another 1-2 setup. But as you can see, since the previous video, we broke quite strongly above the 78.6% retracement level that did hold previously, but it didn't hold for long because we did break above it. And while the probabilities for the red scenario are quite reduced, it is not invalidated, and I would need a break above the, what is this, $41 level, yeah, around this area, $40.92, to consider the red scenario broken and invalidated. And until then, there is still the risk for direct downside, although that is clearly not my preferred interpretation of this chart. But I cannot dismiss it yet. I would need to see a break above the wave 2 high here to do that. So for now, we are focusing on this support zone, this smaller support zone, but still also the larger one is very much relevant. But the thing is, the smaller support zone is fully within it, and those are the levels between $32.7 down to around $26.5. And I would expect to find support and the reversal somewhere in this area if we still head lower in this wave 2. As I said, it's possible it bottomed. I don't necessarily expect that. I could see this being just an A, B, C pattern that could allow it to go lower still. And as you can see, we actually reacted again twice to the 78.6% retracement level here in red, and that's actually the only reason I'm still leaving this on the chart, because we seem to interact with these levels, so they may be useful for some guidance, because sure, it was resistance for quite a long time in this area, but maybe after forming a larger move here, it could be seen as support that may be relevant. But for now, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.